Since today is a rainy day, I decided to take advantage and have a relaxing self-care night. I just received my new brush head from Quip, and I'm going to be changing that out and keeping up with my habit of trying to brush twice a day. When you get a Quip toothbrush and you sign up on their website, they send you a new brush head every 3 months for $5. I'm also using my Burt's Bees toothpaste and my TheraBreath Fresh Breath Oil Rinse. After I'm done brushing my teeth, I'm dry brushing my skin, which is good for exfoliating your skin. And some people say that it's good for your lymphatic system, but I'm not sure how true that is. After that, I'm getting in the shower and I'm using my Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Body Wash. Next, I'm going to be using my facial steamer and doing a face mask. So the reason why I'm using the face steamer is to open up my pores and allow the product to get into my skin better. Also, it feels really good on your skin in general. I'm using the sheet mask that I got from Target. It is by Vitamasques and it's the Plump Collagen Peach Sheet Mask. And this is my first time using a sheet mask, so I didn't know how it was gonna be. But it's actually really simple to use and it actually felt really good when I put it on my skin. The instructions say to put it on your skin and leave it on for 20 minutes and then take it off and dab the product into your skin. So after the 20 minutes, I am taking the mask off and dabbing the product in. To make the night more relaxing, I'm going to be lighting my candle. I also have this golden healer stone near me, and it is known to release unwanted energies and also encourage harmony and peace. And I'm having some tea to help the food that I ate earlier digest better and also continue to relax my body. While I'm drinking my tea, I'm going to be watching a movie just to wind down for the night. And then to close out my relaxing night, I'm going to be reading a book on my computer. While I'm reading my book, I'm going to be wearing my blue light glasses just to protect my eyes from the screen and to allow myself to continue winding down. So I'm reading The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This is a really good book if you want to continue learning how to manifest in simple ways. So I am really interested in this book and it's really good. I recommend it to everybody. After I read about a chapter in this book, I am just going to be going to lay down and go to sleep. And that's all for this relaxing rainy night self-care routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.